Most fitness channels never explain this powerful push-up secret properly today. Doing more repetitions alone will never guarantee serious chest muscle growth. Your push-ups fail because full body tension is completely missing during repetitions. Without tension, you are moving inefficiently without building real muscle strength. Push-ups require full body engagement, not just arms pushing your body upward. Start by placing hands slightly wider than shoulders for optimal activation. Grip the floor hard to activate shoulder stability and strength instantly. Twist palms outward slightly to create powerful external rotation tension immediately. Squeeze your glutes tightly before starting every push-up repetition for stability. Brace your abdominal muscles like preparing to absorb a strong punch. Pull your shoulders down and back before starting every push-up repetition. Keep your elbows angled at 45 degrees during every repetition performed. Lower your body slowly for 3 seconds to maximize muscle tension. Pause above the floor while maintaining full body tension and control completely. Maintain tightness throughout your entire body during every push-up movement phase. Push upward explosively while keeping core, glutes, and chest muscles engaged. You will instantly feel your chest activating stronger than ever before. Your core muscles engage harder, improving stability and protecting spine safely. Never relax muscles at the bottom position if you want growth. Relaxing during push-ups reduces tension and prevents proper muscle activation completely. Compare sloppy push-ups with tension-based push-ups to see effectiveness differences instantly. Notice dramatically improved chest activation when applying proper tension techniques consistently. Always keep hips aligned with shoulders to maintain proper push-up posture. Raising hips too high reduces chest activation and efficiency drastically overall. Letting hips sag downward creates spinal stress and reduces muscle efficiency. Control breathing during push-ups to maintain stability and improve overall performance. Increased muscle engagement produces more effort and visible intensity during training. Slow, controlled repetitions stimulate more muscle fibers and increase strength faster. Explosive upward motion becomes easier when tension and control mastered properly. Chest pump becomes stronger and noticeable using proper tension techniques consistently. Strong core tension protects spine and allows safer push-up performance overall. Shoulder stability improves dramatically when tension applied correctly every repetition. Proper wrist alignment prevents injuries and ensures maximum push-up efficiency always. Correct hand placement ensures balanced muscle activation and improves push-up performance. Fast, sloppy push-ups reduce muscle activation and prevent optimal strength development. Slow, controlled push-ups increase tension and accelerate muscle growth safely faster. Tension transforms basic push-ups into powerful muscle-building exercises delivering visible results. Before applying tension, push-ups feel easy but produce minimal growth results. After applying tension properly, push-ups produce dramatically better muscle development results. Hold strong plank tension before moving to ensure maximum activation stability. Count 3 seconds lowering body to maximize muscle activation and control. Pause briefly above floor to maintain tension and improve effectiveness significantly. Explode upward powerfully while maintaining full body tension for maximum muscle activation. Strength increases faster performing push-ups with proper tension and repetition technique. Track repetitions carefully to monitor progress and ensure consistent strength improvement. Avoid common push-up mistakes to maintain proper form and muscle activation. Focus on maintaining tension throughout every push-up repetition for maximum effectiveness. Confidence increases naturally as strength improves and push-up performance becomes powerful. Body transforms faster using proper push-up tension techniques every training session. Subscribe now to learn fitness secrets and transform body faster today.